You may already know that you can give somebody a program, but what about offering something like buy one, get one? So you can buy one for yourself and also gift one to a friend. So let's go ahead and set that up. You will need some sort of product here. So it'll need to be a course. It can't be coaching over on Zoom. It needs to be a product inside Kajabi that you're gifting. So I'll show you what I mean by that. We're going to go to Sales and Offers, create a new offer, and we'll just call this buy one, get one. And this is what I mean by you need to choose what product you want to include here. We'll just use the sample program. Next. And it'll be a one-time payment. You need to have a one-time payment for any gift offers. So it can't be a payment plan or it can't be free. So let's just say it's $100. And then we're gonna choose whatever payment plan you're using. I like to use Google Pay, Apple Pay, and PayPal at least. I don't think I want to use payment plans for this one. Next, you'll just choose whatever color you want, any text you want, buy now, whatever you want to say right here. I like to always collect the name. And then for this particular thing, I'm not going to have a service agreement, but if you want, you can fill all that out. Save and finish. And then here we are at the sales and offers area if you want to come back to it. You can see here that there's a product in the offer, and after purchase, they're going to go to the library and receive a default email. And that's for the person purchasing. It's not for the gifter. There's a different route that they'll take. So what we'll do is come up here to pricing, and you can make sure that it's a one-time payment setup. And down, actually it's up here, under settings is where you turn the gift on. So we'll roll down, and you can see right here, enable send as a gift. And you can see send as a gift will appear at checkout for one-time payment offers only. If gift option is selected at checkout, order bumps, upsells, and downsells will be disabled. So you can't offer any of that if you're going to do this gifting thing. So go ahead and turn that on. So you'll have let me save that. So you'll have the option to give the gift at checkout. So first up, we're just going to set up the gift for the other person. And the second step, we'll come back and we'll make it so the person purchasing also receives the program. So you can see now it's enabled, and you can preview the gift email here. You can see when I preview it, it says this, but the person at checkout has the option to update this. So we'll just close that. And when I come up here to edit checkout, that's when we have, you can see the button here, send as a gift. We can preview this, and this is kind of what they'll see. There'll be a picture here, the title, a bunch of info down here you'll fill in, and they just click send as a gift, and you see recipient email from any kind of gift message. They could send it now or schedule it for the future. You can pick a date, and it'll send about 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on that date. And continue, and then they'll arrive at the library, etc. So now that we have set up that the person can give a gift, let's set it up so they'll also receive the gift. So it's buy one, get one. So what we'll do is go back here, go back to the offer settings, and it's actually down here in details. Roll down to the bottom, and automations is where we're going to go. What we're going to do is add an automation that says when this offer is purchased, this buy one, get one, then we're going to grant an offer, and we can just choose the same one, the buy one, get one. We don't need to send an offer grant email either. Save. So by creating this automation down here, they're gifting to someone else first at checkout, and then once they pay for it, it automatically goes to the library, and this will be there because we just made an automation that says when they buy this, they're also gifted it. So they're able to gift it to someone else and also have it for themselves. And they will kind of know all the crazy stuff that's going on behind the scenes. All they're going to know is that they were able to gift and that they currently have it in their library. So it's all set up. I'm at digitalcoursefreelancer.com. If you want to do any kind of one-on-one tutorials, I can walk you through over Zoom, or I also have do it for me services. So visit digitalcoursefreelancer.com.